A crucial reminder from first responders to make sure you have working carbon monoxide alarms.
Yeah, this warning comes just days after people were sent to a hospital from a leak at an LDS church in Provo. ABC4's Rosie Nguyen talked with a woman who survived an accident 6 years ago and is still experiencing the side effects.
You guys are my babies.
Life hasn't been the same for Lake Point resident Dawn Quintana since her carbon monoxide poisoning accident 6 years ago.
My life has completely done a 180.
She says the poisoning nearly killed her. Even though she survived, she says the long-term effects has changed her life dramatically.
How my recovery's been, they said it was basically that of a severe stroke victim.
Quintana was like the dozens of people who received hyperbaric treatment because of a carbon monoxide leak at a Provo LDS church on Sunday.
The people who are walking and talking, at least by the time we see them, have headaches, nausea, dizziness, fatigue, they don't feel well. Some of those people, unfortunately, will likely end up with lifelong or at least many months-long problems.
Firefighters say it's a serious reminder about why the gas is dubbed the silent killer.
It's colorless, it's odorless, it can be present anywhere, it's produced by a variety of means, and when it's there, you're not going to know it based on your senses.
This is what McFarland advises to keep you and your family safe. Make sure a carbon monoxide alarm is working on every floor of your home. Do not use fuel-burning appliances in an enclosed area without ventilation. Make sure your furnaces are running properly, and don't run your car inside of a closed garage. Quintana says taking these extra steps is all worth it, and she's speaking out tonight, hoping to save other lives.
Most people don't survive it. You don't hear of people like me, especially for the high levels that I was exposed to. I shouldn't be here, and I am.
Reporting in Salt Lake City, Rosie Nguyen, ABC4 News.